how you can sign in using two different Apple IDs on your iPhone. Now before we start, if you're new to our channel, just hit down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. So now let's get started. So to sign in using your two Apple IDs on a single iPhone, what you'll need to do is first you'll need to just sign in. That is by default that you've signed in to your settings on your iPhone, and just let that be. You don't need to use that. Now what you'll need to do is go to your App Store, and after you go to your App Store, just log out your Apple ID from your App Store and just tap on your account, scroll down all the way. After you scroll down all the way down, you will see the option called sign out. Just sign out, and after you do that, you can just log in with another account on your App Store, and after you do that, you'll have two different Apple IDs on your single iPhone. So yeah, that is how you do it. That is all for the video, guys. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take